Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you my upcoming adventure to Canada to visit my uncle. In this video, I'll be taking through my travel plans, what to expect, and some of the amazing things I'll be doing during my trip. So, let's get started. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I would like to check in.
Sure. May I see your passport and ticket, sir?
Sure, here you are.
I have seen your information. You're flying Canada today.
Yeah, this is my first flight. I have never flown before.
Really, you will enjoy this journey with us. How many bags do you have for check-in?
I have just one bag.
Could you please put your bag on the conveyor belt? That would be great.
Yeah, sure, thank you.
Your bag weighs 25 kilograms. That is fine. How many bags are you carrying with you?
Just one. There is my laptop in it.
It is fine. You can take it on the plane with you.
Really, that is awesome.
Would you like to take a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I would like to see the outside view on the plane.
Sure, sir. Here is your boarding pass, ticket and passport.
Thank you.
You will be boarding at gate 22 at 10:30.
Gate 22 at 10:30. Got it. Where should I go next?
You will go through the security check next. Take the escalator and go upstairs.
Where is the escalator?
Go straight and turn right, sir.
Thanks.
You are welcome. Have a nice journey.
Sir, you have keys in your pocket.
Sorry, I forgot to take him out.
Fine, walk through their scanner again. Now you can take your items and ready to go.
Hello.
Hello, please take out monies and keys on your pocket.
Monies and keys.
Yes, and your laptop as well. Don't worry, you can take them later.
Okay, got it.
Put your items in the box. Now walk through this scanner. Take your items and wait in the waiting hall. You will be boarding in 10 minutes.
May I have your attention, please? Mr. Paul, ticket number 4759. Please proceed to gate number 22.
This is my gate number 22. I should hurry up.
Mr. Paul, may I see your boarding pass?
Here you go.
Walk through this way. It will take you directly to the plane.
This is your captain speaking. We are about to take off. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hello, sir. What would you like to have?
What do you have?
We have noodles, a chicken salad and sizzler rice.
I will have noodles, please.
And what about drink? We have tea, coffee, water and mango juice.
Mango juice, please.
Here you go.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Could you please tell me your full name and age?
My name is Paul Steve. I'm 24 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
What is the purpose of your visit here?
I will be visiting my uncle. He lives here in Toronto.
How long will you be staying here?
About a month.
And where will you be staying here?
I will be staying with my uncle.
When will you be going back?
I will be going back after 1 month on Monday.
Fine. Do you have anything to declare?
Sorry about that. I did not get you.
Do you have any valuable thing?
No, I don't.
Fine. Here is your passport and ticket. Welcome to Canada.
Thanks. Excuse me, can you please tell me, where can I get my baggage?
The baggage claim section is over there. You can get your baggage there.
Thanks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.